Unlocking Your Dreams, a beginner's guide to starting a manifestation journal. Manifestation journals are powerful tools that unlock the magic lying dormant within us. They serve as a personal space where intentions meet the universe's energy, fostering an environment ripe for realization. Selecting the right journal is a deeply personal journey. The perfect match feels like a companion, resonating with your spirit. It's not just about aesthetics, but how it aligns with your energy. You can find free journal templates on the website, spiritualsync.com, or in the description. Also, most large online retailers sell manifestation journals. When getting started, setting clear intentions is crucial. By defining what you truly desire, you provide direction to your energy. This clarity acts as a beacon, guiding the universe to bring your aspirations to life. Visualization is an art that transforms dreams into tangible goals. Picturing your desires vividly prepares your mind and body to receive what you're manifesting, making the abstract concrete. Incorporating daily affirmations into your practice boosts your manifestation power. These positive statements reinforce your intentions, helping to overcome doubts and align your vibration with your desires. Gratitude entries are a cornerstone of manifestation, inviting more abundance by appreciating what you already have. This practice shifts focus from lack to abundance, magnifying what's good in your life. Scripting your future involves writing your desires as if they have already materialized. This powerful technique allows you to live in the end result, fostering feelings of having already achieved your goals. Tracking your progress in a manifestation journal offers valuable insights into your journey. Reflecting on your entries helps you recognize patterns, celebrate successes, and recalibrate your approach as needed. Creating a manifestation ritual establishes a daily practice that primes your mind for success. Whether it's morning affirmations or nightly gratitude, this ritual reinforces your commitment and keeps your intentions clear. Consistency is key to harnessing the power of your manifestation journal. Regular entries not only nurture a positive mindset, but also build momentum, turning your aspirations into tangible realities. Using crystals and symbols in your manifestation journal can significantly amplify its energy. Each crystal holds unique properties that can align with your intentions, infusing your journaling practice with their power. Overcoming doubts and fears is crucial in maintaining a positive mindset throughout your manifestation journey. Writing about your fears helps in acknowledging them and gradually transforming them into positive affirmations. Incorporating visualization boards into your journaling can provide a powerful visual stimulus to your desires. This creative approach allows you to see your goals daily, reinforcing your commitment to achieving them. Understanding moon phases and aligning your manifestation efforts with cosmic energy can enhance the potency of your intentions. Each phase holds specific energies for setting intentions, releasing negativity, or expressing gratitude. Sharing your manifestation journey with a community of like-minded individuals can offer support, encouragement, and valuable insights. This connection fosters a sense of belonging and can significantly boost your motivation and confidence. Manifestation journal prompts serve as beacons of inspiration, guiding you through foggy thoughts to achieve clarity. They ignite the spark of creativity, helping you to vividly outline your desires and aspirations. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, is crucial on your manifestation journey. Each celebration reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest, boosting your confidence and encouraging you to aim higher. Dealing with setbacks is part of the manifestation process. Instead of viewing them as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset keeps you motivated and resilient, ready to tackle new challenges. Meditation plays a pivotal role in manifestation by calming the mind, allowing you to connect deeply with your true desires. It creates a serene space where your intentions can be heard clearly, free from the noise of daily life. Living a life aligned with your manifestations means integrating your desires into your daily actions and decisions. It's about making your journal entries a reality, transforming your dreams into tangible experiences through consistent, aligned action.